my year right here. That's all. Yeah. What's up, bro? What? Come sit back in my year. Fuck a little bitch, I don't care. So lean on, wanna give. Wait. Pop a little perk on my home. Money coming out the vault. Your boyfriend ain't got it, we know that's a loss.
Yo! This your boy Pro Ambitionz, the original you. You know what I'm saying? I'm the original to doing that. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and drop that like. Man, it's been so long since I've said that I've actually forgot, you know, the whole flow of things. Like, it's kind of ridiculous. Let me try this again. Yo, this your boy Pro Ambitionz, and I'm back at you with another awesome video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and as always, make sure you drop a comment. You know, let me know what you're thinking or what you actually want to talk about or know. But before we get into the actual video, I want to go ahead and just give a special thanks to all the real subscribers out there, all my real fans and people that really support me and want to see me do well. I just can't thank y'all enough, you know. I haven't been on YouTube in a couple months, and I still get people that hit me up all the time like, yo, how's it been? How's it going? And you know, I can't thank y'all enough, you know. My journey since I've been off YouTube has been crazy. Like, hey man, it's real, you know. Life hits you hard at different points, and you just gotta step up to the plate and you gotta eat up, you feel me? But let's go ahead and get into the video. So what we're gonna talk about today is what the title says, which is why it took me 9 long months to be able to finally achieve making $1,000 a day. And for me, there's 3 main reasons for this. Number 1, lack of knowledge. And pretty much that's for anybody that's going into anything. You're not going to jump right into something and just start killing it right away. You know, that just usually doesn't happen. It's not typical. Secondly, following the wrong people. Oh my God, wasted so much time doing that bull. Thirdly, I bet you can't guess this one. Being too narrow-minded. Yes, being too narrow-minded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually explain my reasonings for these 3 reasons why I wasn't able to achieve $1,000 a day. And then I'm going to actually take you in the back end of my website and show you exactly what I mean. So make sure you stay for the whole video. It's going to be very informational, and it can help you out. And actually, it will help you out. This is what the channel is for, you know. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment on something, you know, that you agree with or you disagree with or you just want to talk about down below. So the number 1 reason why I wasn't able to achieve $1,000 a day starting right off with Shopify, it took me 9 months to be able to achieve that goal. And the reason for that is because lack of knowledge. You know, going into anything, you're not going to know everything right off. You could get prepped up pretty good, but you know, any field, you're going to have to still do your own research, and it's just not going to be easy, you know, especially with something like this. You know, you can't go to school for it. You barely could find real people in real life to actually help you do it. You know, if you're somebody like me, I don't want to get off into the video too much, but you know, I'm somebody, I don't live in middle class, I don't live in like high class. I live in the hood, you feel me? You know, money is real scarce around this Jones. You feel me? It's real scarce. So, you know, I was fortunate enough because I started off my channel with social media marketing and affiliate marketing. Completely killed it in that. You know, I was lucky enough to be able to set myself apart from other people and take my own route, my own journey, you know, and been able to make money online from home at the crib right here. You feel me? So back to the topic, which was lack of knowledge. I wasn't able to start my Shopify store and just jump right into it and start making money because obviously I didn't have the right amount of knowledge to put things in place and make stuff work. Now secondly, I truthfully could tell you, this was the point where I went from this side of the fence to this side of the fence. This side of the fence is being broke, making nothing with Shopify, and this is making some green with Shopify. So, secondly, which was following the wrong people. I'm telling you, now this, you might think I'm just trying to jump on a bandwagon with everybody else and talk down on people, but truthfully, this is coming from somebody that, you know, I wouldn't even, I made over 20 Shopify stores before I even had a paid version, because within the 2 weeks I always listened to people telling me that you should be able to make a sale within your first 2 weeks of making your Shopify store. And to be honest, now what I see, you know, it is possible to make money your first 2 weeks. You know, it's very possible. It's actually, it's really easy now that I know what I'm doing. But for a newbie, when you're going into that, you know, I felt like I couldn't even have a store without that first 2 weeks having a sale. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you gotta pick your niche. You gotta do this, you gotta do that. When a lot of that stuff is bull, man. You know, I didn't start making money until I stopped watching people. And that's the truth. I didn't start, this was the point where I went from making $0 to making $100 a day, $200 a day, $300 a day, $400 a day, $500 days and beyond, to $1,000+ days. And it's becoming second nature, you know. I have 4 winning products right now. Each one of them I've tried my own strategy on, and it's working. And like it's crazy. It's working like crazy. So following the wrong people, you know, I'm not here to bash anybody, say that everybody's scammers, but you know, when you're providing bull content and you're somebody like me that takes detailed notes and kind of understands what's going on and how to implement stuff, you know, and you're not getting results, you know, it kind of make you wonder, is people really, you know, doing what they say they're doing? And you know, it's kind of funny because some of the people that's actually bigger than me right now was some of the people that hit me up to actually help them sell their course, you know, like, and they told me I was the one that inspired them, you know. And it's kind of funny how everything plays out, but that doesn't even matter, you know. That's besides the point. Just watch who you're following. I'm telling you, you know, my followers, they know that I give great value. I don't hold anything back, and I love seeing people win. I'm actually going to do a giveaway, you know, sometime pretty soon, because I'm going to be dropping content every day to help people go from $100, $200, $300, $400, $500 and beyond every single day on Shopify. But yeah, back why do I keep on getting off topic? Back to the topic. Following the wrong people, which was the second reason why I wasn't able to start off Shopify and make money, because truthfully, the value that these people are giving you, the main people, you know, isn't good value at all. You know, they don't talk about manual bidding. They don't talk about lookalike audiences. They don't talk about going in advanced features of lookalike audiences. They don't talk about how to go in your URL and take your product number and put it into your ad, so everybody that went on your specific page of your website, you could retarget them. You know what I'm saying? They don't talk about this type of stuff that's really valuable and that will make or break your business, like customer service. I feel like that should be one of the main videos out there. It should be a ton of those with actual knowledge. You know what I'm saying? How to talk to suppliers, how to find different suppliers. It's not just going on AliExpress and finding suppliers. You can find suppliers everywhere and you wouldn't even know it. These gurus, they leave a lot of stuff out, and I'm somebody I've been on the internet for a while now, so I kind of know good and bad, you know what I'm saying? And truthfully, I'm just like you. I was sold the effing dream, you know. I thought that I was gonna jump into Shopify from these people that just came out of nowhere, jumped into Shopify, you know, and make a ton of money, you know. And it just doesn't work like that. It doesn't. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not even gonna get into all that, man. Just know that following the right people can make or break you. You know, I stopped following people for months. I stopped watching YouTube for months to focus on myself and be able to go from A to B, you know what I'm saying? Because I really want this, you know. I live in the hood. I'm ready to get out of here, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's been long enough. When I tell people this, like, hey, I didn't even start making my first $1,000 a day until 9 months. They're like, what, really? You know, everybody else that talks about it, they start their first month, and it's a bunch of BS. I'm just gonna put it like that. People is not jumping into Shopify making $1,000 their first month. You know, it is possible that it could have happened a few months ago because a lot of stuff has changed. But from the value that people provide on their channels, I can tell you right now, it's a lot of fishy stuff going on. It's already being brought to light, so I don't even need to keep on elaborating on that. So, the last but not least thing, being narrow-minded. It impacted me a lot because, you know, I lost a lot of money being very narrow-minded. For one, following the wrong people made me narrow-minded. I thought that they were the people to follow. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to go off and follow somebody else with little subscribers because these people got all the subscribers. I feel like they must have the best value. And that's not the truth. To be honest, some of the best channels out there is the people that only got 500, 600, 700 subscribers. You know, you will get so much content from them because they're trying to put out content to grow their channel. You know, while these other people is putting out, you know, how to tie your shoe content. You know, what the fuck? Ooh, gotta beat that out. But yeah, being narrow-minded really killed me. You know, I was thinking that the products I like was the products that everybody else was gonna like, and to be honest, every winner I have right now, products I never even thought of. It's from doing proper research, product research, having algorithmic targeting, from manual bidding, lookalike audiences. You know, it's way more ways to advertise than just Instagram and Facebook. Let me put that out there right now. You know, if you're just advertising from Instagram and Facebook, you need to get on board. You know, Snapchat just dropped a new ad feature where they're going to be doing, I forgot what it is. I think it's like non-stop video ads or something like that. You know, check out these other avenues, you know what I'm saying? In later videos, I'm going to release some of the avenues that I use for advertisement. So make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump in my computer now. It's about that time. Yo, so we're in the back end of my website. And before we get started, I just want to show you that I've had this website for a little bit over 9 months now. And, you know, it says member since July 10th, so a little bit over 9 months now. And, you know, in the video, I might skip. Don't think that this is any type of fraud. So don't worry about any of that, you know, editing stuff. Like, I don't even know how to do that stuff anyway, so it doesn't even matter about that. But I'm just showing you that I haven't had this website since July 10th, 2017, a little bit over 9 months. So now what I'm going to do is take you into, you know, started to where I'm at now, you know. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Let's see if we could do this without pulling up our information, and we can't. Okay. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to home. I'm going to go to months. I'm going to go from July. No. I picked the wrong time to do that shit. So, from July 10th, which was the date I've started this website, until April 30th, I've done $21,211.07 in sales. So, let me break down exactly what I was talking about earlier. There was 3 main reasons for me not jumping straight into Shopify and being able to make $100 a day, not even $1, you know what I'm saying? First, lack of knowledge. Second, following people. And third, being narrow-minded. All 3 played a part for the first couple months. I didn't even get my first sale until November 25th. And I remember this sale just like it was yesterday. I was so excited. This is my first sale on Shopify. Not my first bit of making money online, because I've been doing that. But my first sale on Shopify. You know, and this takes a lot of dedication. Most people would have been quit. Look at this. Boom. All the way until November 25th is when I got my first sale. This was the point when I stopped following people. You know, this is when I first started making sales. I stopped following people because from here to here was all, you know, I'm just following people. I'm following their tactics and their steps. And I finally got fed up with wasting money and noticed that, you know, something's not right. How is it that these people could continuously do this and continuously to say this stuff works and I can't do anything? So I started venturing off doing my own little thing. And boom, I got another sale. November 6th. It took a little while, but I still got another sale doing my own thing. Boom, got another sale. All right. So then I decided, you know what? I'm on to something. I know that this stuff works because I got my first 3 sales, and that's literally what I was thinking. I got my first 3 sales. I know this stuff works, so I'm just gonna try out different tactics and just thinking outside the box. You know, you gotta think outside the box in this field of work because there's gonna be very few people that actually help you, truthfully. So we go on. I get another sale, get another sale, get another sale. Now I'm starting to get sales. Okay, I'm starting to get sales. I'm starting to get the hang of it. All right. I'm starting to get sales, and boom, I transitioned my whole cycle and my whole process of thinking, and I started doing proper research, proper targeting, and I found my first winning product. You know, it's not really a winner, but my first day of actually running the product, I made $100. You know, that's how I know my targeting is on point. That's how I know the way I advertise is on point. You know, because how does the first day of trying a new product you go up to $100? These was clothes. These are hoodies and stuff, you know. I wasn't really too big in product research. I'm taking the footsteps of people that could have possibly faked it to make it. I'm not calling out nobody, but you know, as you can see, when you're following people, you know, and then that's not doing what they're saying, then you're following people that's doing what they're saying, you know, there's a big difference. So I get my first little taste of business. And then, boom, a stupid supplier, well, I'm not going to call him stupid, but the supplier ran out of supplies. So what I had to do was cancel my product, which was a bummer. And to be honest, I have a few negatives in here too because that was just bad customer service. I'm going to be 100% honest with you people. This is bad customer service. That's why I got some chargebacks. So I'm like, I know what I'm doing. You know, I'm going to try out this other product. Boom. Try out this other product. First day, April 3rd. Try out this other product. Now, mind you, this is my main website, but I have 2 other websites that's doing pretty well for me. And I'm doing the same strategies, and I'm seeing that this stuff actually works, you know, and it's something that nobody's talking about on YouTube at all. So, first day, $180 basically. You know, I knew I had a winning product, so what I did was I took that same product, found a similar product, threw those both in there. Then I took a third product that was similar to those first 2 products, threw that in there. Then now I got 3 winning products. And then somewhere around here when I started making 6 a day, 6 plus a day, and I had a 4th product. You know, now I got 4 products, all using the same strategy, all working. Now we're doing numbers. And boom, I scale up, I scale up, I scale up. On this day right here, April 23rd, my highest paid day of the month. This was the day my supplier notified me that he was running short of the items that I was selling. So what I had to do was scale down. But my targeting and the product that I'm using, the products that I'm using right now is trending so much that I scaled down and it actually didn't do much, you know. I think my lowest day since then was $869. You know, look at today. I'm already at $1,000, and it's only 9:32 p.m. And I'm gonna be providing all you guys with this information. Just stick around. Make sure you stay loyal to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Comment, please comment whatever your thoughts are on this video. And don't forget, 2018 is our year, baby. 2017 was our year, but that's in the past. The only way is forward now. And you know, it's the only way is to go up. So 2018 is our year. Don't forget that. Remember it. Write it down. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Please comment. We really need that. And peace out. This is your boy Pro Ambitionz. Get ready for the next video.